Hey guys, Gab here. Got a new problem today. I was getting ready to put together some food. Proper lazy, throw some taquitos in the oven and wait for 30 minutes or however long they take to cook. And ran into a little bit of a problem. Can't set the. Okay, it said 175, but I can't set the temperature on my oven. Um, so it's broke. It's old. Can't find parts for it. I looked. So I've been making some progress on this thing. Having a look inside. Unplug. Always unplug. It is not fun to get shocked by that. Now, I had a little bit of fun the first time I opened this. Saw just how bad the last guy's bug problem was. So y'all be prepared for that. Come on. Um, Still needs a good little bit of cleaning, but we're gonna have a look here at this control board, which I've already taken out and cleaned real well, hoping that that was all it needed. But we're gonna have a little bit of a look at it and see if I can't get this disaster working again. Where is? Oh, right. There we go. Alright, so here's my problem. Problem piece. This guy isn't working. So we're going to take this guy off and open it up. I'm not sure if it's a potentiometer or a rotary encoder because it can turn all the way around. I'm not entirely sure how that circuit works, but we'll find out. And yeah, it's already broke. Ain't like I'm gonna break it more. So I'm gonna take it apart and take this piece apart for y'all. And we're gonna have a look inside it, see that everything's contacting right, put it back together and see if that don't fix it. And if it don't fix it, I have an ultrasonic cleaner thing coming in for various projects I have. I figure it would just come in handy and decided that that was worth buying. So I'll toss this whole board, just into that cleaner, let it hang out for a little bit, and pull it out and see what we end up with. Alright, I'm gonna get started actually pulling this little component off the board, and I'll get back to y'all when that's done. Alright, y'all. That guy is pulled right off. Shoved right into my workbench. Come on, focus. So I got that pulled right off, shoved into the workbench. Came off pretty easily. You gotta appreciate how these older circuit boards are thrown together. I mean, that's some pretty cool packaging. And then, oh yeah, look at that VFD. Everyone loves VFDs, right? Date code 0993. So September of 93 is when this was born, when this was built, I assume. Um, I don't know too much about these ICs, but and I kind of want all these parts. This this is just a very appealing circuit board to me. I like the way these look. This is what circuit boards are supposed to look like. But, right, what are we on about? Got to pull this thing apart. Now, gotta pull this thing apart. Now, if you'll focus on the right thing, thank you. If you'll focus on the right thing, you see how right there, we got on every corner here, Actually, let's see if I can't put this down. Yeah, that's smarter. So on all the corners there, right there, there, and it runs away. But you see those little butterflies, right? I assume you do. There and there. Those are what's holding it to the circuit board. What's holding the case to the circuit board. So I'm going to kind of squeeze those and see if I can't pull this outer shell off the circuit board and have a look inside. I'll be back with you when that's off. Alright, got it all apart. So we'll have a look inside. My fingers are huge right now. Okay, so you got a backing plate. You got your circuit board. And what this circuit board is telling us is that this is a rotary switch, not a potentiometer. So that's promising. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean up all these contacts here, and then on our pin here, on our contactor, you see those little leaves, all that. We're going to clean those up. We're going to push them up a little bit, give them a little bit more spring, a little bit more force, just like that. And then I'll get these smaller ones when I actually can see. And then you look in here, and you notice this little like washer-like thing with a couple bends in it and a couple little tabs. And what that is that rides on all those little wedges there. On that, come on. That rides on all those little dots there, all those little teeth, and that provides your detent. That gives you the nice clicky feel. So I'm going to clean those contacts a little bit, clean these guys, and you just use like a pencil eraser or something with that. It's really not that hard. And put it all back together and see if that doesn't fix the problem. Alright, I know it's the internet, so there's what it looks like back on the board. Still got to put this all back together, put it back in the oven. I have a picture of it disassembled that I'll probably have overlaid on here, or not. I probably won't overlay it, actually. I'm lazy. This video probably won't even get edited for 6 months, if at all. But there it is back on the board. Fold all this back up. It's kind of iffy how it all goes together, because you know you got to get this and into this like little slot here, and then you got to. It takes a little bit. And then I'll get it tossed back in the oven and see if that done fixed it. But I feel good about it. It's a lot quicker now, and I know I put a lot of load on it. I feel good about how well I cleaned those contacts. I feel good. Alright, I'll be back with you in a bit. Okay, we're set back together. Let's get ourselves plugged back in. Let me tell you, I'm real happy right now not to have counters over here. And let's see if I can't set the clock. Yeah. Perfect. And that is how you fix it. I feel like I'm going to call it 2:28. I haven't looked at a clock in probably 2, 3, 4 hours. But I feel good about that. And then let's check. Cool. Everything works. So let's button it back up, push it back against the wall, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Not done yet. It's actually 2:52. So we'll try that again. Alright. Thanks for watching.